Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before.
Hello family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this tutorial. You see these beautiful butterfly locks? Wow, it's so gorgeous. You see? Today's video, I'll show you how I achieved this beautiful, gorgeous butterfly locks. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please hit the notification button to subscribe so that when I upload any new video, you will be the first person to see it. Okay, now let's get started. Yay! Guys, welcome back once again. So to start, I'll be doing single plaits before wrapping the entire hair. So as you can see, I'm dividing the hair into sections with my rat tail comb. So each section of our natural hair, I will apply my braiding gel. The braiding gel we are using is the Shine and Jam gel, you all will see very soon. And then after applying the Shine and Jam gel to each section, then I'll start braiding all the way to the very end. I'll start braiding each section all the way to the very end as I'm doing. Okay, so with butterfly locks, it's all about wrapping. You can do the single plait or the single braiding a day before the wrapping so that you won't waste much time on the entire hairstyle. And if you don't want the braiding, a single braiding, you can also do single twist. You can twist the hair. Yeah, so what I did was to do the single plait a night before the wrapping. The single plait took me about, let's say, 1 hour 45 minutes to finish. Okay guys, so the front of our natural hair, the patterns in front, I did triangular patterns, and then after the single plait I went to bed. So this is the following morning. The hair I'm using for my butterfly locks is the Darling Passion Twist color 1. The color 1, I used 2 packs and then 1 pack of purple, so 3 packs in all. So I was looking for a curly crochet hair, but I couldn't find one, so I decided to use the Passion Twist instead, since it's also a curly hair and I can use it to crochet. Why not? Grab my crochet hook and then 1 strand of the hair extension. Then I'll hold 1 section of my natural hair plait and pass the hook through the hair, through my natural hair. And then after passing the hook through my natural hair, I'll pull 1 side of the hair out, the hair extension out, as you saw, and then swirl my natural hair a little and start wrapping from the roots. So I wrap to where my natural hair ends, so that the hair extension can be able to hide my natural hair. And then after wrapping to where my natural hair ends, I'll start applying the thumb effect. So the thumb effect will give the hair that butterfly look. Guys, I also added another strand of the hair extension to the hair I'm wrapping in order to increase the sizes of each hair.
Stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told.
So when I wrap to where I'm comfortable, then I'll put my thumb right there, yeah, just like so. Then wrap the hair on it loosely and then pull my thumb gently. So this will give me that distressed butterfly look, you see. Yes. So if you want the hair to be more or to look more butterflying, you can do more of the thumb effect on each single hair. If you don't want to apply the thumb effect, you can wrap the hair loosely. As long as you are using curly hair, if you wrap the hair loosely, you will get that butterfly look, but if it won't be more prominent compared to using the thumb. Yeah, as I said earlier, after wrapping to where I'm comfortable, then I'll put my thumb right on the body of the hair, just like so. and wrap the hair around my thumb loosely, and then pull my thumb out gently to get that bohemian effect or that butterfly look. So as I'm wrapping, I'll take one strand of the locks I wrapped off camera to measure the length, so I don't exceed my limit. I want the hair or the locks to end exactly on my shoulders. Then when I get to the end of the hair, what I did was to bend the ends, then I kept on wrapping upwards till I finished. Don't worry, I'll give you all a closer view. Let me keep quiet so that we can all follow along.
Out at the sun, but a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told. Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Smiles they fade because her daughter only visits once a month. Since she got a family of her own, it's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told. Since my hair got cut and dyed, and I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a child eyes just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. 'Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
Guys, we finished wrapping the entire hair. Thank God we've been able to achieve our butterfly locks. It looks so beautiful. Let me know if you are going to try your hands on it, okay? Please comment down below in the comment section and I'll be happy to read and reply your comments, okay? Now, after wrapping the entire hair, I'll lay my edges with my ORS Olive Oil Edge Control Gel with the help of my edge brush I got from my beauty supply store, and then go over the edges with my hair wax gel. And yeah, that's basically the end of this tutorial. Please comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye. Mwah.
Day in, day out, it's the same road we're walking down. Same job, same town. 'Cause we've been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known, stepping on the footprints in the snow. But when it melts, the other ways will show. We're